Hello, today I'll be showing you how to create a pergola slab using this software ProtaStructure. As you can see, I have created a pergola slab for this particular building design, which you can see here on my screen. And I used just a very simple trick to create this pergola slab across the entrance, as you can see that. And let me dive you to the 3D model of this particular building we are trying to design for the structural analysis and design. So coming here, you can see the building that we are performing the structural design, and you could see the pergola slab across the entrance of the building. This is either called a pergola slab or it is also called a slanted reinforced concrete slab. And most times it is found in the modern architectural designs, basically used to for like a shade or to transfer light into a particular dark area. Okay, that is fine. Also, it's also used for designs. Okay, that is fine. So back to here now, you can also see that we have also created that on this particular reinforced concrete slab, and which is above the entrance that you can see here. So basically, this is a one-story building. Also has a penthouse, also a bungalow and a penthouse, and you can see how it is. That is fine. So to create a pergola slab, I'll just walk you through back to the CAD file, and then we'll now begin from there. So on the CAD file now, this is the CAD file we are performing the design, and you can see the columns have already been placed. The green columns are the columns going from foundation down to the roof, while the pink column are the columns that are going to stop directly on the ground level, like on the first floor ground level, and do not extend to the roof. Okay, which you can see there too. That's fine. Then coming to the first floor now, as you can see here, on the first floor, we will have the pergola slab just around the entrance, above the entrance of the ground floor, which you can see here, entrance porch. So we have the pergola floor here. That is fine. So if I split my screen now, as you can see my screen, you can now see the model file here, and then the CAD file along this side. Okay, so this is now the pergola stuff here, and then to create a pergola slab, you can see that before you can do that, you must be sure that you have that your CAD file among the design. Okay, that is fine, which you can see within these section views here. Okay, that is fine. So to do that, what I'll do now, I'll just go to the CAD file first and confirm the dimensions of my pergola slab. So in this case now, if I dimension these openings and the places that are meant to be concrete, you will see, let's see the length from here to here. This is the opening side. This is 300 millimeter. Okay, that is fine. I'll then press escape key and then click again to dimension between here and here. Okay, that is fine. So you can now see that they are 300 millimeter difference. Okay, that's fine. So we'll then go back to our CAD file here now, and then I will click here and then delete all the pergola openings that I've already created, so I cannot begin to afresh. Okay, that is fine. So I will then come now, click on the opening, and then click and press my delete button just to delete the openings. So I can choose a to make a multi selection by holding my control key. I'll click this and then click few of them, and I'll then click on what? Delete. That is fine. So just click on your delete button, and that will take off the openings. That is fine. And then, so we want to get that afresh. I can begin afresh to create this pergola slab, which will not take time. And then I'll click on this, and now click on what? Delete. So on this now, we have currently removed all the openings. Can you see that? So now begin to create a fresh one. That takes us back to our plan view, which is the story one plan view. So I'll just go to the place where we'll have the pergola slab to be yeah. So this is where we have that pergola slab. So on this now, the next thing we'll do is to now begin to do what? Give the distances that we have already checked here on our CAD file. Okay, that is fine. So on this now, I will come now and then click on this. What do I have first? From the center line of this grid line up to the place where we have concrete here, we have this to be what? 229. So you can see that 229. So I'll come now, I'll click on this grid line, right click here, and I'll offset what? 229. And I'll press my F2 key and press my minus sign since I'm going down, 229, and I'll press what? Enter. So we have this now. Now what I'll do now, I'll change this grid line to a ghost axis, which is also called a hidden axis. I'll come now, remove all this right now, and then say hidden, and then say okay, that's fine. Then I'll then come and click what here, click here, Now I've turned that now to hidden, but I already have make my hidden lines to be what, to be hidden. So I'll go and turn them on right now. Turn it on here, ghost axis. Okay, that's fine. So we have this now. So on this now, we have just established this first line here, which we have here, this first line here. So from here we'll have 300 distance. So if you can measure from here now to here is 300. Okay, that is fine. And then we have it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. That's fine. So I'll now come now and offset 300. Click on this my ghost axis now, right click here, and then say what, say offset. I'll then come now. So knowing that now, I can then come back and then maximize this automatically. That's fine. I can choose to stretch this my axis backwards since I don't want it to be bigger or to this length. Stretch it backward like this, and then keep this here. Okay, that's fine. So I'll then come now and then click on this. So I click here and then say offset, and I'll offset F2 key, and I'll type minus 300 since I'm going downward, and I press enter, and then I'll just begin to what, click and then continue just for it to, because it has already locked that dimension offset value to 300. So I'll just be clicking forward, okay, and then we'll be just be going down till it gets to the final place. Okay, that is fine. So if this is the first time you're coming to Ekidel, please consider subscribing, and if you are an old subscriber, consider joining the Ekidel mentorship training. That's fine. Then I'll click on this place, and also we are currently running a 49.9% discount on Ekidel training. So you can, if you want to enroll for that, you can choose to enroll for that. Okay, that's fine. So this is the last. Then we also have here. So on this now, we have just established all the openings point, but now we also need to establish the other concrete region around this area. So I'll come now and then send this back to splitting. Okay, that's fine. So we have just established all the lines of opening, but we need to establish this particular one here, from here to here. What do we have here? We have this as 5555. Okay, that's fine. So I'll come now, I'll click on this here, and I'll offset 5555 forward here, and I'll click F2 key and type 5555, and I'll press enter. Again, I'll turn this to a ghost axis because I don't want it to have the same properties with the other grid lines, since it is not a major grid line. That is fine, and I'll click on this. Okay, that's fine. And again, I'll then come again here and also give another one again here. We also have one here again from this point here, which is from the center. Let me get this beam center line here because we need this. So I'll click on line here now, I'll enter, and I'll divide this into two like this, from here to here, sorry, and I'll press just extend to give this, and I'll click now dimension from here to all the way here. This is 383. That's fine. So I'll escape here, I'll just update, and then close here, then click. Now I want to know the dimension from here. This is where the line is, so I have to click again, dimension again from the face to this face. What do we have? We have 458. So I'll come here, I'll choose to maximize this now, then right click here, and then offset backward 458, F2, then minus 458, and I'll press enter key. That's already on a ghost. Okay, that's fine. Escape. So right now, let me see, this is the point. Let me confirm again. I need to confirm this again. Come here, delete this entirely first, come here again, offset again 458. Let's see, because I have two grid there. I want to be sure which one is it. 458, and then look closely to see where it will paste. Correct. So this is the one here. Then what is this one doing? Is it doing anything? Okay, that's fine. It is for a wall, so I'll leave that. So this is the one we are dealing with, this one, and then this, and then this. Okay, that's fine. Just to be sure, I'll just establish a polyline rectangle around that place. I'll click now, model rectangle, and then establish one rectangle there from here all the way down here. So with this now, I can be knowing that, okay, this is where I want to begin. Okay, that's fine. So with this, since you have established this now, let's now go and look out for which is the first. Is it an opening or a concrete? Okay, so on this, let me take off this now. So from the CAD file now, you can see that the first thing that we're seeing here is a concrete. Okay, that is fine. Concrete, then opening, concrete, opening. So that's the sequence. Concrete, opening, concrete, opening. So knowing that now, I'll then come back here, open here up, and then I'll have to come here and say modeling, and I'll come to slab opening here, and then I'll come to rectangle. There is type here. Just click on rectangle. Okay, that's fine. Then I'll come here. This is concrete, and then this will be opening. So I'll click on this, and then come here, and then click on this here, and that will give us an opening over around this place. That's fine. I'll then come again, make it to be what, 0, and then here 0, and I'll come again, concrete, and then open again. I'll click here, and then click here. That is fine. Again, make it to be 0, and then 0. That is fine. And again, come again here, from here to here. That is fine. Opening, then come again, make here. So just repeat the same thing. As you can see that, repeat the same procedure to get your pergola slab openings. That's fine. Then come again here, 0 and 0. That is fine. And again, from here to here, that's okay. And again, delete this one, and then delete this one. Okay, that is fine. And then from here to here, that's okay. And again, we have something here to be known. So with this now, we have just done this. So I can come and click here and say what, close, and then I can then come here, come to our review. Since we have so many grid lines outlined here, come to your review tab here and say delete unused axis. This axis is then going to be taken off because we don't need it again. So I come and do what, say yes here. That is fine. And we can come now, click on here, and then say what, delete this rectangle that we used to divide that. That's fine. So if you now go to our 3D model here, you can see that what we have now, we have not just gotten our pergola slab. Okay, that is fine. Which is also going to confirm with the 3D of the building. Let's go to that and then see that right now. So if I split my screen right now, I'll then split here and then keep this here. And then we have these two outlined now. So you can now see the pergola openings here, and also you can also see this one here opening here directly. Okay, that is fine. Which you have concrete first, which is here, and then concrete here, and then we'll have opening, opening. So in that same sequence, you have all that. Okay, that's fine. So this is how to create your pergola slab on the software 2025 ProtaStructure. Okay, that is fine. So you can also see that I also added the staircase step here into the building. So in my next video, I'll be showing I'll be using this particular building to perform the foundation, because this is a real life structure we are designing for, to perform the foundation design, and I'll be using a wide strip foundation. Or okay, I would first of all teach you how to design a beam wrap foundation using this particular building, but basically well, I want to use for this structure a wide strip footing. That's because of the soil condition of the area. Okay, that is fine. So but I'll be showing you first how to design a beam wrap foundation on this software. That is fine. So thank you so much, and God bless you, and see you on our next video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you are new to Ekidel, subscribe to the channel. Bye for now, and then see you. Thank you. Bye for now.